प्रैक्टिस मेक्स अ मैन परफेक्ट। ये स्टेटमेंट थोड़ा इनकम्प्लीट है क्योंकि ओनली परफेक्ट प्रैक्टिस मेक्स अ डिफरेंस। तो आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे कुछ ऐसी टेक्निक्स की that will help you improve your English, and last technique is very important. Hi guys, I'm Arushi, your English educator. पूरी वीडियो ध्यान से देखिएगा क्योंकि इस वीडियो में मैं आपको अपना बेस्ट फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन बनाने का ब्लूप्रिंट भी बताऊंगी। So let's begin. Technique 1. Dear Diary. One small page entry in English of how your day was. And this really helps because you will start thinking in English. So simple sentences like I woke up at 8 and then I had breakfast. I realized I'm very late for office, which I always am, and so on. इसको लिखने के बाद आप इसको ChatGPT या Grammarly पर चेक कर सकते हो whether it is grammatically correct or not, and then you can speak the correct version. Identify where you are wrong, learn from it, and then speak it in a way as if you are genuinely talking to someone and आप उनको बता रहे हो कि आपका दिन कैसा था. I would have filled up more than 7 to 8 diaries because it's a habit now, and it really helps because you think in English and then you do your speaking practice also. Technique 2. Speaking practice. तो जब भी आप किसी सोशल गैदरिंग या एनी अपॉर्चुनिटी वेयर यू विल गेट टू इंटरैक्ट विद पीपल, इवन इफ इट मीन्स ऑर्डरिंग फूड एट अ रेस्टोरेंट, मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप 5 to 6 सेंटेंसेस पहले से ही प्रैक्टिस करके जाओ. यू कैन फाइंड दीज सेंटेंसेस इन बुक्स, शोज, मूवीज, और इवन क्रिएट योर ओन पर्सनल सेंटेंसेस यूजिंग ChatGPT. Do their mirror speaking practice and let it flow naturally when you speak to people. Do you even know how confident you will feel? बाकी बात चाहे आप हिंदी में कर लो, but if you can speak 5 to 6 sentences that are strong enough to create an impression, bang on. पहले इतना कर लो, उसके बाद we will learn how to carry out an entire conversation in English. We would have to reach level 5 before we can reach level 10. So initial stage perfection. For example, your social gathering sentences can be, how are things going for you? Are you able to take some time out for yourself or just running busy? We need to meet more often. Let's plan something soon. The food is mind-blowing. Even if it's not, you practice this sentence, you better use it. Technique 3. First impression is the last impression. How true are those words? So we must master our self-introduction. Formal introduction is mostly for job interviews and meetings, and the video for the same is right here. But आज हम casual introduction की बात करते हैं. Let's say someone introduces you to somebody. Hi, I'm Arushi. Nice to meet you. Hi Arushi, likewise. So what's up? What do you do? All good. I'm currently working at Gulf Air as a cabin crew. How about you? What do you do? That's so cool. I am actually a content creator and a budding YouTuber. बट आपकी जॉब में तो आप हमेशा ट्रैवल ही करते होगे, राइट? हाँ, ट्रैवल तो हमेशा बहुत ज़्यादा ही होता है. दैट्स हाउ इट इज़. एंड 90% ऑफ द टाइम वी जस्ट से हाय और वी जस्ट स्माइल. बट नाउ वी से हाय, आई एम आरुषि. गेट comfortable using your name. Nice to meet you. Great to see you. Pleasure to meet you. A handshake is not necessary because it's a casual setting, but the more you start using your name, it radiates self-respect and confidence. इसके बाद if the conversation continues, you can briefly talk about yourself that I am currently working at XYZ or I am studying at XYZ institution. And how about you? What do you do? And then they will talk about themselves. And इसके बाद आप हिंदी में बात कर सकते हो because your first impression is formed. But one more thing that you can do is keep inserting better words, which brings us to our next technique. Technique 4. By new words, I don't mean heavy vocabulary. I mean simple words that you can use instead of yes. Is this the best route to take? Absolutely. Is this information accurate? Definitely. Do you agree with these changes? Agreed. Are you sure about this? I'm sure. Is she the right person for the job? Indeed. Instead of very, we can use, is this restaurant popular? Extremely popular. Was the hike difficult? Too difficult. This latest gadget, it's impressive, right? Pretty impressive. Was the book good? Super good. Instead of a shocking what, जैसे हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना क्या, we can say, I just won the lottery. What are you saying? Do you know that the article mentioned that UFOs were spotted last night? You can't be serious. I met a celebrity recently. Are you serious? The office is closed tomorrow. I don't believe you. Technique 5. The English skill. Learning English is way different than learning any other subject or skill like maths or time management, क्योंकि इन सब में एक set pattern rules होते हैं जिनको आप follow करके सीख सकते हो. But with English, there are so many exceptions, so many rules. For example, the sound of the letter B in the word bath and bathe is completely different. Use of S and ES is for plural nouns, but how do you explain if a boy shouts and boys shout? So there is an explanation for this exception, but do you see that there is no logic? This is just a small example, and there are so many explanations for so many more such exceptions, and English speaking will become very easy for you the day you accept that this is how it is said and I will also say it like this. हिंदी भी हमने ऐसे ही सीखी है. So learning a language fast is more about the experience of speaking and surrounding yourself with such shows, movies, people who are fluent, getting comfortable with talking in English, and really practicing how to speak the correct sentences versus trying to understand the basic structure and the reasons behind and completely depending on that. These are easy phrases, pretty exclusive also, and really help in creating an impression, and you look like someone who is fluent with their language skill. I know these techniques will work for you as they did for me. I hope आपको आज की वीडियो अच्छी लगी. Subscribe for more communication improvement and personality development content, and share this video with a friend who is improving their English language skills, and I will see you in my next one.